most homeowners want to upgrade their home. Almost none want to manage the renovation, deal with the delays, the surprises, the budget creep, and the stress. And that's why we created Renovate to Stay. Hi, I'm Michael Alladawi, the CEO and co-founder of Revive. When we first built Revive, our goal was simple: help homeowners sell their homes for more without taking on the renovation burden alone. And since 2020, Renovate to Sell did exactly that. We created a system that gave homeowners, the contractors, the design, the budget control, and the project oversight they never had access to before. And it worked. Thousands of families were able to unlock more value when they sold. But something interesting started to happen. Homeowners kept asking us the same question. What if I don't want to sell? What if I love my home and just want it to be better? We realized the need was even bigger than what we expected. People weren't just looking for help to sell, they were looking for help to stay. They wanted the same design guidance, the same cost transparency, the same vetted contractors, and the same project oversight, but for their own home, the one they live in. And that's how the Renovate to Stay program was born, not from the investor world, but from listening to homeowners. Because renovating your home should feel exciting and not overwhelming. And you shouldn't have to gamble your time, your money, or peace of mind just to improve the place that you love. Renovate to Stay is the evolution of everything that we've learned from thousands of projects. It takes the same trusted system we've built for selling and applies it to people who want to stay right where they are, but want their home to feel new again.